Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and make sure Siri is on. With the car safely in park, use the vehicle's Bluetooth menu to begin pairing. On your iPhone, go to Settings, General, CarPlay, and look under Available Cars. Tap the listed vehicle. Accept any prompts on both screens and confirm the pairing code if shown. Once paired, keep the phone unlocked and nearby so the system can establish the wireless CarPlay session. Once paired, accept the iPhone prompt to allow CarPlay and grant permissions for contacts and notifications. Then open CarPlay settings to enable wireless CarPlay and organize apps so your most used apps appear first. Make sure your car's head unit firmware is current. Updates often fix wireless stability. If the system supports dual-band Wi-Fi, use the 5 GHz band for lower interference. Also, keep the phone's screen awake during the first connection, so initial handshakes complete cleanly. Tap the CarPlay icon on your car's display and start navigation, calls, or music using Siri or the touchscreen. Make sure audio routing is set to the car for media and turn-by-turn directions, and confirm steering wheel controls respond. If you lose connection, disconnect then reconnect, or toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the phone. As a key troubleshooting tip, reboot both the iPhone and the vehicle head unit. Then forget the device in Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.